What is up, beautiful people? It's Manish and welcome back to this video. And in this video I'm gonna show you the week in my life because यो एकदमै लामो हुनेवाला छ होला अनि मैले मेरो विकमा के भयो भनेर चाहिँ देखाउन खोज्छु हजुरहरूलाई. So yeah, stick around होला मेरो विक हेर्नलाई. So it's gonna be interesting के चिजहरू. So yeah, let's go. It's around like 9:54 a.m. and I'm trying to figure out how to actually deploy a Google Analytics in my websites, which I have made like tools.housedesignnepal.com and YTTZ, which is I'm trying to figure out the stuff of this AI stuff of this YouTube thing. And yeah, this is pretty much a hectic thing for me right now. So today I have a to-do list to just add a analytics to my websites about I have 3 websites I guess which I have to add analytics, and I'm searching for the alternatives of Google Analytics, and I'm trying to think about plausible AI. So it's now starting my service of plausible. I've been thinking for so long about how to install this plausible since it's like $5 a month and I have a VPS already, so why not use VPS and start my own plausible self-host since it allows me to self-host plausible. So I thought using that services, and yeah, I'm deploying that stuff over here. The main thing that helped me in this section is this plausible Coolify documentation, which it's very simple, easy to follow, and yeah, I'm trying to host now self-host plausible, and I will install it in my websites and track about the users. Since I was previously thinking about using Google Analytics, and the Google Analytics I didn't really like that one because it has very much different stuff. So yeah, let's see how it goes. This is the plausible. So I'm gonna quickly register the stuff, and yeah, let's see you guys in the next one. It's shortly. So I've been trying to fix your plausible analytics, and I've been wasting like around 2 to 3 hours. I figured out how to host it, but I am in the stage of subdomain analytics. So top subdomain analytics is not working properly, so that is what I'm fixing right now, and still showing me errors in my VPS. So yeah, that is an update for you guys. So this is what it takes to just deploy a single successful build. So we are going to clean this mess. Let's go. So yeah, just completed finishing just cleaning up my desk. And यहाँ चाहिँ डेस्क अहिले छैन because I think नयाँ डेस्क आउँछ होला यतातिर चाहिँ. So yeah, अब धेरै चाहिँ क्लिन गरिनँ. It's kind of like ठिक्क मात्रामा क्लिन, त्यस्तो डिप क्लिन पनि गरिनँ, बट अहिलेको लागि जति सक्छ त्यति गरेँ. अनि या अब हामी VPSहरूतिर जान्छौँ, and we will go make sure everything is set up, DevOps को कामहरू. So mostly I've been doing like DevOps work, so I think त्यसैमा अब के अलि गर्नु पर्ला त्यो यहीँबाट कोडहरू लेखेर, because I feel like that is the side that I feel like working. सरी चाहिँ यहाँ परेको थियो, अनि मैले चाहिँ टाल्टुल हान्ने यसै प्लास्टर हानेर अब इट्स लुकिङ ग्रेट अब चाहिँ यता हामी टेबल हाल्छौँ एकछिनपछि सो आज चाहिँ यही हो हाम्रो काम टाल्टुल काम सक्यो अब चाहिँ टेबल हालेर सघाउने हो अनि या सो या यस्तै हो हाम्रो आजको काम आज धेरै सफ्टवेयर पनि बनाउन पाएन अनि या अनि या वी जस्ट अपग्रेडेड टु न्यू डेस्क अनि यसो हेर्दा अलिकति राम्रो देख्छ यो अनि या हिजो पनि मिलायो त्यसपछि दिस इज द अपडेटेड सेक्सन्स राम्रो छ देख्छ होइन सो यस्तो हो अनि या आज हामी लगभग यस्तै गऱ्यौँ आजको अब खासै म धेरै कन्टिन्यू पनि गर्दिनँ अहिले भिडियो एकदम लामो हुन्छ होला मलाई एडिट गर्न पनि सो या इफ यु इन्जोय दिस भिडियो डोन्ट फर्गेट टु गिभ दिस भिडियो थम्स अप मेक स्योर सब्सक्राइब अन्टिल द्याट टाइम आई विल हैव अ सेफ डे पीस आउट